Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on always on display on Tecno Pova Neo 2. So this device doesn't have always on display by default, so we have to download an additional app from the Google Play Store. So let's open up the Google Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now search up Movies Edge, this app, and now install it. Now let's open the app. Now tap on Draw Over Apps. And here search for the Movies Edge and to turn it on, but we have to, it's here. So just tap on the button and go back. Okay, so now go into Always on Display. Select which theme you like the most. So I'm going to choose this one, let's say. And I'm just going to tap on, you can also edit, you can increase the clock size and stuff like that. Theme color, you can select the theme color, clock color, and date color and stuff like that. Then just tap on apply and it should work from now on. Does it work? I'm not sure. Oh, you have to tap on allow, okay. And from now on, does it work? Yeah, it works. So that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.